NCERT solutions at your fingertips. Today we are going to do question answer of chapter 10 Respiration in Organisms, class 7th Science. The main topics of this chapter are respiration, aerobic and anaerobic respiration, breathing, cellular respiration, human respiratory system, breathing in other animals, respiration in plants. Some of these topics are covered in the question answer section. Let's begin with the question answers. Question 1. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? Answer. An athlete needs more energy during the race and after finishing the race. To supply extra energy for his body cells, he breathes faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race so that more oxygen is supplied to his body cells. This speeds up the breakdown of food and more energy is released. Question number 2. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Difference number 2. In aerobic respiration, the food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water, whereas in anaerobic respiration, partial breakdown of food into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Number 3. Large amount of energy is released in aerobic respiration, whereas in anaerobic respiration, a small amount of energy is released. Number 4. In aerobic respiration, glucose in the presence of oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water and energy, whereas in anaerobic respiration, as in case of yeast, glucose in the absence of oxygen gives alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. In the case of muscle cells, glucose in the absence of oxygen gives lactic acid and energy. Similarities in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Number 1. In both respiration, glucose is broken down to release energy. Number 2. For both respiration, glucose is the main substrate. Number 3. Both respiration takes place inside cells. Number 4. Both respiration produce byproducts. Question number 3. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? Answer. When we inhale a lot of dust-laden air, the particles of dust get past the air in the nasal cavity and irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Sneezing expels these foreign particles from the inhaled air and a dust-free, clean air enters our body. Question number 4. Take 3 test tubes. Fill 3/4 of each with water. Label them A, B and C. Keep a snail in test tube A, a water plant in test tube B, and in C, keep snail and water plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide? The test tubes are shown in the picture. Answer. Test tube A will have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide because snail will take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide during respiration. The test tube B contains a water plant which takes carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and gives out oxygen. The test tube C contains both snail and a water plant. The carbon dioxide released by the snail during respiration is utilized by the plant, and the oxygen released by the plant during photosynthesis is utilized by snail. Question number 5. Tick the correct answer. A. In cockroaches, air enters the body through number 1 lungs, number 2 gills, number 3 spiracles, number 4 skin, and the correct answer is number 3 spiracles. B. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to accumulation of number 1 carbon dioxide, number 2 lactic acid, number 3 alcohol, number 4 water, and the correct answer is number 2 lactic acid. C. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is number 1 9 to 12, number 2 15 to 18, number 3 21 to 24, number 4 30 to 33. The correct answer is number 2 15 to 18. D. During exhalation, the ribs number 1 move outwards, number 2 move downwards, number 3 move upwards, number 4 do not move at all. The correct answer is number 2 move downwards. Question number 6. Match the item in column 1 with those in column 2. Number A yeast matches with number 3 alcohol. B. Diaphragm matches with number 4 chest cavity. C. Skin matches with number 1 earthworm. D. Leaves matches with number 5 stomata. E. Fish matches with number 2 gills. F. Frog matches with number 6 lungs and skin. Question number 7. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Number 1. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. The statement is false. Number 2. Plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. The statement is false. Number 3. Frogs breathe through their skins as well as their lungs. The statement is true. Number 4. The fishes have lungs for respiration. False. Number 5. The size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. The statement is true. Question number 8. Given below is a square of letters in which are hidden different words related to respiration in organisms. These words may be present in any direction, upwards, downward, or along the diagonals. Find the word for your respiratory system. Clues about those words are given below the square. Answer. Number 1. The air tubes of insect. Tracheae. Number 2. Skeletal structure surrounding chest cavity. Ribs. Number 3. Muscular floor of chest cavity. Diaphragm. Number 4. Tiny pores on the surface of leaf. Stomata. Number 5. Small opening on the sides of the body of an insect. Spiracles. Number 6. The respiratory organs of human beings. Lungs. Number 7. The opening through which we inhale. Nostrils. Number 8. An anaerobic organism. Yeast. Number 9. An organism with tracheal system. Ant. The correct answer is shown in the screen. Question number 9. The mountaineers carry oxygen with them because A. At an altitude of more than 5 km there is no air. B. The amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. C. The temperature of air is higher than that on the ground. D. The pressure of air is higher than that on the ground. The correct answer is B. The amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. Thanks for watching the video till end.